MLA barim jangkala imkra uba RG Lyngdoh ubla rongbyang syaka san perthai dawa penyesok biang yang ada baka seng kongres hadin khala isnam ba udon syaba jangka jeli san perthai mentakasngi ka pratrik unailur arajar arhuai ulah Ther teng ya ka sarkar MDE kebedalam daka seng National People's Party habaya karan bakila pathai khobor uba RG Lyngdoh ula ong bagani ka sarkar ka bamanta kecohe tengkak tian dai kikam kempawai mula kantoru bagani ka sarkar ka wishpin ikam tang hakirin san daka social media hapo jangka jenglam jangka NPP ba RG Lyngdoh ong bagani ka sarkar ka leram ya ka jella kalanti ka babakla.
I think they've proved themselves to be more talk than action, and their governance is more on social media than on the ground.
Hakabedai pat ki Seng Riewlum uba RG Lyngdoh ulo ong ki Seng Riewlum kishupai be sakamandar lani kishupet be ya ka jeng trikam lani ka jeng pau ki Seng Riewlum hakapor ka baman shuwa ka ba kempet pan nakam ta ka jeng syakri lani ka jeng trikam ya ki por ke bandangwan.
So far as the regional parties, I had talked with them, but I find that they're living more in the past than in the future, and I doubt their capability to deliver. So, and I'm comfortable with the Congress. I know the Congress well. I've been here. So, hence, I chose the Congress again.
Hakabri baka jeng rongbyang ju ka Seng Kongres uba RG Lyngdoh ula ong bahapo ka jeng lam jeng ba Vincent Pala UI ba udi noyalam ba menta jeng ka Makhlaya Pradesh Congress Committee udi ubriu bakwa banyak trailang bat udah kejok tien suabun le ya kene nu kam.
No, I have seen that he's a team player. The current president is a team player. So that gives hope, People, when you're a team player, then everybody takes ownership of the initiatives,
Open power ka jeng sojan ya ka Seng Kongres namar ulah tibba ya ka jeng trekam jangka hakaba uladan bun snam hakan di ka Seng. Hanrai haka joka poru uba RG Lyngdoh ula pan pau ba namar ba umdan hakamet ka basai ka baklan ya matahi umpan na ong la unya len ya ka election MLA lani ya ka election MP ru.
Yeah, I still have some health concerns which I will overcome, and God willing, we leave everything in his hands. He's a person who drives everything after all.
Which constituency you are looking at? Anyway, you will be contesting?
I don't even know whether I'll be contesting. And I don't even know whether I'll be contesting MLA or MP or all that hasn't been even thought of.